Philippines.
No, you're not gonna draw a heart.
Hey, it's Philippine Antics, and we are chilling right now, a few days before Halloween. We're glad that you guys stuck with us in this video so you guys can see what's really going on. George has already installed the water pump in the bathroom. We have been taking care of animals, and now we're going to watch some movies like we said, and we're going to cook some barbecue chicken later, guys, and just hang out here. Are you hungry? Who's your friend? Yeah, I know. It's weird. Like sometimes we have the cats upstairs and sometimes they're downstairs, but Gugu is his buddy. So, babe, your hair. It's from George has been outside filling the generator. We've been preparing for the storm. It's always a possibility the power will go out, so we've just been getting ready. It still might go out. So, all right, guys. Bye. All right, guys. So we decided to get lunch, and we have Chung Chun. And this is a Korean restaurant here, so we thought we'd try more Korean dogs. So George is going to check that out. But first we have our drinks. And this is a milk tea, and that is Dalgona.
That's from Squid Games.
That is a Squid Game, and that should be all sugar candy, just what we need. I know you guys told us to eat healthier, and I bought, George doesn't know what these are. This is, oh crap, look at that, babe. That's like 2 layers of cream. That is your strawberry latte.
So this is strawberry latte, and this is Dalgona.
Isn't that weird that there's 2 different types of straws?
And these are the rice.
Well, let's try our drinks, baby.
That.
That is 2. We got, it's a 4 or 5 corn dog set, babe.
What?
Yes.
There's more?
Yes, babe.
But wait, there's more.
There's
Do
more.
I wonder if they all look alike. They probably all look alike.
Well,
No, they do not.
check out the potato on that. I think that looks sweet. It's got some sort of sugar on it. Okay, and there's sauces with it, guys. That is your Sotek. That is rice cakes and sausage. So check it out with the special sauce on it, rice cake, and we're going to try those in a minute. And these really weren't that expensive. I want to say this was under $15 here.
Okay, so these are somewhat similar, but it looks like they have a crystal on them.
So babe, one of these got to be chocolate.
Probably the long one. There's one extra long one. That's probably the chocolate one.
I don't know who gets what. There's.
Well, the bubble tea gets that straw, and I get a regular straw, I believe.
All right, let's give it a whirl. Sir, you've never had that candy. This is from Squid Games, guys, for those that know Squid
I've had it.
And if you guys haven't seen that, be sure to take it.
I've had this candy. We call it something else. It's like that. You've had it too from the Philippine store. We call it something else. Lemon colored cheese.
It is.
It's not a yellow cheese. Well, it's yellow, but it's a odd shade of yellow.
And that should be probably chili sauce. Show me the chili sauce, and then I got. That's gonna be good. It tastes like, yeah.
I'm not quite sure how you can dip a corn dog in this, but okay.
All right, babe. Let's try these.
All right, go ahead.
How about? Okay.
Well, how is it? Is that sugar?
It is sugar.
Oh, that's scary.
The crazy part is I think they toss sugar over these 2. Weird, isn't it? They put sugar on it.
It's like French fries covered in sugar. Very odd.
No, but these are really good. That one has extra French fries on it.
Yeah, the ones in the mall, I guess, I call it dip fry, not deep fried. It's like a dip fry. In barely hot oil, right? It barely even bubbled up.
Alright, this is just mozzarella. This says Choco. I don't know, you should have checked out what it was first. That says Choco.
Well, it's covered in sugar no matter what.
That's it. That says Choco too, babe. So these are both chocolate. It's a set of 5. Which one's that? I don't know if I like that they put sugar on them all.
I don't like the sugar, to be honest with you.
That, I'm not sure. I love sugar, but, okay, this appears to be another mozzarella. I don't know, that'd be my biggest complaint. My biggest complaint is all the sugar. It doesn't make any sense. None. Okay. Wow.
You don't want to try. Oh, crap. Oh, okay.
You're still,
Hey, something without sugar. Oh, my gosh. To be fair, I have to eat one of each.
well, show it to the camera, Sully.
Yeah, I already did.
Okay. Oh, you did.
Earlier.
Like this, babe. Okay. Oh, spicy. Babe. Okay. It's a light, ketchupy, sweet chili sauce. Like it tastes a real heavy ketchup base. It's good. I don't know if it was worth. I think.
It's basically sticky rice and a hot dog with sweet and sour sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's the mustard on it, guys.
All right, give it a shot.
Oh, sorry. What happened there? Now I'm gonna eat it. I enjoy it.
Heidi just gave me a facial.
Bye. Take one for the team, babe. Look how you took a bite of that, babe. What's in the middle? It's got some sort of meat. What is that? Is that cheese? I don't know what that is, guys. See it? What is that? OMG.
Oh.
It's peanut butter.
Oh.
Good.
I can taste it.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. No, it's very good.
Reminds me of a caramel apple, but no caramel apple. It's like caramel and peanuts or something inside of it with chocolate.
I'm trying to figure out what it tastes like.
It's like a caramel apple without. Almost tastes like Nutella or something.
Right, it tastes almost like Nutella.
Why them Koreans sure know how to party, man?
I'm done.
Say so.
It's way too much.
But no. Listen.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come back.
No.
Let me draw a card on you.
No. You're... This is what I deal with, guys.
Pinky's waiting for her food. Pinky Bear! Pinky Bear! Hold on. Say goodbye, George.
Bye, guys.
What? Yes.
It's either you lick it or the neighbor guy licks it. I'm gonna ask Joe to lick it.
Oh my God. I know, look at my shirt.
I was gonna say.
What do you think, babe? That is a lot of sugar. That's really a drinking food. I had to add this extra clip because I love sugar. I do. Unfortunately, I really don't know who would reorder this a second time.
It's overkill. Like sugar overkill.
I thought it was like some sort of salt or MSG or something, guys. That is an overkill.
What? You can't get up here? What are you doing? You're playing with her lid. Hi, honey. Hi.
Is that electric line or cable line?
Cable.
So we're going to put away a bunch more stuff. It just seems like a forever move. And going to watch some scary movies for Halloween. Bye.
Oh, it's like recording or something.
Oh, it is? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's like a record button or something.
What you doing there, babe? Dun-dun, dun-dun. Giving us a little Patreon. Is it nap time?
No.
No? Is it boogie woogie time?
Yes.
Hey, is it Return of the Mac?
Before my time.
Is it Kanye time?
Right? No,
Hey.
that's your time.
My time, your time, Prince time.
We're all gonna die.
No, we ain't. You can see the stadium, or what do they call that? It's a basketball court. Which, I don't know how much this footage you can show. But, no, you can't even really see it right now. There's a bunch of water running down that wall. But the storm has continued. It's moving in pretty heavy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And we'll see. It has continuously rained for about 2 days now. What you doing, babe? Gaming? Waiting out the storm?
Yeah.
How's that wallpaper coming along?
Great.
We were trying to make this dog a total outside dog. He's not doing good training inside because he was born outside. He's been outside, so it's a lot harder to break him right now. So, but unfortunately, he's caught outside right now, but he does have plenty of shelter.
No, it's dry.
But like I said, I did lift up the black part.
He doesn't have room because he's supposed to be in his kennel.
Right, but it was kind of fine yesterday unless
All
you...
I'm saying is he's not trained to be in his kennel yet.
I know, but if we put the little one in there, he'll probably start going in there.
Right, but what I'm saying is it's still, even the little ones. Still
Well, if we start giving him snacks in there like we've been doing, like a French fry, cookies, these little snacks, he should start going in there more often. But it looks like, I would say, except for this morning, he's been quiet, 80% of the day right now?
He's fine. You know, he's at McDonald's right here. He should be having McDonald's.
Yeah.
Pretty sure you're not.
And then we had our incident earlier. That is just really weird, but I'll go for it. Check it out, babe. Front light camera. Like, I know.
Yeah, I didn't know.
So, I know this looks really weird, but we have a lot of stairs here. So we're still riding out the storm right now. So far, we haven't had any power outages or internet outages. But earlier we had an incident where instead of going out, we tried to have some vegetables delivered to make some curry. And we ordered like 12 items from SM to be brought in by Grab. And they brought like 2 items, and they were less than the amount of delivery, and they never contacted us, never called us or nothing. So they kind of left us without, they claimed they had no carrots. They claimed they had no potatoes, no onions. And I'm like, George goes, I'm not buying that.
No,
Right, babe? Right? Yeah, there was absolutely no way that they were out of those items. We think the kid got extra lazy and he just didn't want.
And even let's say it didn't exist. His job is to call like, sorry, sir, they don't have those.
What
Yeah.
substitute would you like?
They usually always do that. We've been pretty good. Oh, by the way,
Only once.
they did respond.
That's the thing.
Babe, they responded and said there'll be repercussions and they will contact the store.
Again, I'm the last person to complain about anybody.
But it was really disappointing.
100% gotta know that. You know what? I'm not doing this today.
So it's been kind of a slow day.
No, it's kind of.
Oh, what happened, Google? When I put the light on you. Just sitting there chilling, watching a movie. Can you guys guess what it is? Put it in the comments. Brand new.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him born. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye, come.